Welcome to London and the 157th boat race on the River Thames between two fabulous universities, Oxford and Cambridge. With me in the studio today I have Peter Stamp.
Hello Trevor.
Hello Peter, I'm very welcome to the studio. And on the start line we have Joe. Let's go and say hello to Joe.
Yeah, hi Trevor, I'm here at Putney Bridge, the start line for the Cambridge-Oxford Boat Race 2011. The atmosphere is electric. It's going to be a great afternoon. I just hope that the weather holds out and it doesn't start to rain. Back to you.
And at the finishing line we also have Emily.
Thanks Trevor, yes I'm here right by the finishing line. You can see Chiswick Bridge right behind us. The crowd's getting really excited. We're just waiting for things to start. Back to you in the studio.
Well Peter, tell me, your favourite for this year?
My favourite, well the favourite is clearly Cambridge. I mean they are the betting favourite, clearly ahead of Oxford. I don't know, it can go either way. Cambridge are favourites at the moment, but we'll see. Okay. It's close.
Yeah, I hear some interesting things are going on down at the start line, so let's go and see how Joe is doing down there.
Gold sovereign, heads, tails, your toss, then please forward, pointers in the air. Heads.
The call is heads, and heads it is. Ben, which would you like, Middlesex or Surrey?
Oxford chooses Surrey.
We are now minutes away from the big event itself. It's getting really packed down here by the river. Everyone's really excited. And who are you supporting, Ricky?
Cambridge!
Cambridge! Cool, have a great afternoon. Thank you.
I'm supporting Oxford. I'm supporting Cambridge.
Oh, controversy amongst friends.
I'll have to say Cambridge this year.
Cambridge, awesome. Good.
I would say Cambridge. They're going to win it today.
Cambridge are going to win it today.
Oxford.
Why Oxford?
I've been to Oxford and I've never been to Cambridge, so I think that's a good enough reason.
I think that's a good enough reason. Well, I'm hoping Oxford win for you. Thank you, Gemma.
Cambridge all the way.
Cambridge of course, yeah.
Cambridge.
So back at the finishing line here. So we're just wondering who's going to win. Now obviously Cambridge won last year, which surprised the bookies a little bit. And they're now the bookies' favourite to win for this year. That would make it their first back-to-back win in 12 years since 1999. So we're just going to have a little bit of a find out from the crowd as to who they think is going to win.
Who's going to win this year?
Well, again, Cambridge are real favourites, betting favourites. They won last year and they are clear betting favourites, but it can go either way.
So Peter, with your expertise of racing, how important is the start here in a race of this distance?
A start is, you know, some people would argue that the first 10 seconds of the boat race are you know, things do happen on the bends, etc. And it depends on the tide and the weather, the wind, all sorts of issues, but that start is crucial.
Okay Peter, we're just about to see just how crucial this start is going to be. From Cambridge, and they've pulled away really well.
Absolutely. I mean, that's so important, that start. We've got to see how, you know, when we get to the first bend, you know, Cambridge are going to be in the lead on the first bend. They're going to take advantage if they can get, you know, the clearance, and that is crucial. I mean, they're in a good position at the moment, so come on Oxford.
anything, Oxford have just taken a marginal advantage.
Hammersmith Bridge, and we're looking down river now, and they're just coming into view round the bend. There they are, and difficult to see from here. It looks pretty close actually. Oxford on the Surrey side, and from here it looks virtually neck and neck at the moment, but it's a difficult angle. Very, very close from here. Are you supporting any team?
No, just here to see them go by. Not supporting anyone.
Nobody really. I've only just come down to watch it, like, you know, I'm not any supporter of any of them.
I'm from Stockholm, Sweden.
Have you got one team that you'd like to win?
I'm neutral.
Yeah. I think we could be in for a surprise here. I mean, Cambridge are clear favourites, but certainly from this view, it looks like Oxford. And if they do capture this bend, I mean, they're in a prime position on this bend. If they're being on the Surrey side, and it's warming up, the crowd are warming up a bit now. Well, that's very, very close from here.
I think Oxford are just a little bit ahead here, I can see.
Yeah. Certainly looks as though they're ahead from here, doesn't it? There's not much in it, is there? But they've got this bend in their favour, so by the time they get round here, they should be, well, I don't know, possibly a length ahead. Difficult to see from here, because then it equals out on the next bend. But this is an important one, this Hammersmith.
Oxford are ahead. They're about half a boat lengths ahead, if not more.
Yeah, they're certainly ahead. Oh, it's and they've got that bend to their advantage. Yes, it's. Well, I'm not too sure. They're not that far ahead, are they?
Yeah, boats a length ahead. They're putting away.
Yes, they are now. Yes, look at that. Good lord.
Oxford are really going
yes,
for
the
it.
crowd are coming. Warming up now. Yeah. Look at that. Crikey. They're well ahead now. Look at that. Almost a length ahead. Oxford looks like Oxford will win. It's early days now. This is just the first mile coming up to Hammersmith Bridge. You can see clearly now Oxford almost a length ahead, I would say. In a powerful position on this bend. And there they go, yes. Oh, look at Oxford go. This is going to be a close race. Will Cambridge come back? They've really got to push themselves now. And there's Liz Box. Cambridge Cross doing their best. She's got to do better. Look. Such a powerful position. Wow. And they've still got the bend in their favour. Look, they should be 1.5 lengths ahead any minute now. I mean, Oxford are way, way ahead now on that. The bend is totally in their favour. Obviously, they've got another bend to come going the other way, but at the moment, it looks almost definitely as though Oxford must win this, I guess. And that's a real surprise, because Cambridge were such favourites. Look at, they're trailing now. You can see them way, way behind, probably 2 lengths behind at this stage, I guess. Well, let's go over to
Pulling away, Peter, from Cambridge.
Looks like it. Fantastic. Who'd have thought it? Oxford in the lead still at Barnes Bridge. I mean, it's going to be virtually impossible, surely, for Cambridge to come back now.
I'm delighted. They did fantastically well. Brilliant. Yeah, great race.
I think the boys in the Oxford boat were much prettier than the boys in the Cambridge boat.
Okay.
Hi guys, how are you feeling about Oxford's win just now?
It's brilliant. Yeah, great. It was a really strong race. They performed well. Yeah, it was good.
Thank you. How are you feeling, guys?
Obviously I'm quite gutted. I expected Cambridge to win. I've spent a lot of time around there. Beautiful place, close to my heart, so the tears will flow later tonight, but so will the beers, so well, this is
Thank you very much.
That's alright.
Thanks for having back to you in the studio.
Totally against the odds. Cambridge were favourites, Oxford won. That was brilliant, quite honestly.
Yeah.
Thrilling.
I'm devastated. You know, I did actually want Cambridge to win.
Well, we know that, but maybe next year, Trevor, who knows? But well done, Oxford.
Okay.
They deserved it.
They did. And Cambridge, get training and get back there. Look forward to seeing you all again next year for the 158th race. Goodbye.
That's okay.
That was okay, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.